Welcome to Quick Safety Tips from Frontline. In the food manufacturing industry, you have to protect your products against all kinds of hazards and threats. If any of your products become contaminated during the production process, they can cause a public health crisis, losing your company thousands or millions of dollars and causing irreversible damage to your brand. All food manufacturers must use food safety practices to stop unintentional contamination from happening. But what happens when contamination is intentional? You may have to deal with food tampering or acts of sabotage within the manufacturing facility itself. That's what a food defense program is for. It's a set of policies and procedures designed to protect your food products from intentional acts of tampering and contamination. The program should train leaders on detecting evidence of tampering and should also include protocols for investigation of and disciplinary action for these incidents. And you might consider providing a way for workers to report suspicious activity and any known threats to leadership as well. While you might not want to believe that someone would intentionally contaminate your products, a food defense program ensures that you're always ready to handle this type of situation if it does happen. To learn more about food safety and defense, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our blog at fldata.com.